G'day, welcome back. So we're here with the Audi 80. Today we're going to be changing the rear shock absorbers. So this is a 1994 Audi 80 2.3 two-wheel drive. I've never changed the shocks on a two-wheel drive B4 platform Audi 80, which is what this is. So we're going to learn together. So I'll show you what the new shock looks like. So yeah, it's got an integrated spring platform. It's a standard Bilstein, made in Germany. It says Germany on it. Is it actually made in Germany? It says Germany on it there. Yep. Apparently it's made in Germany. Who would have thought it? So yeah, we'll take the old one off. See what it's going to take to put the new one on, put it on, and we're away. So the reason I'm doing this is I've done a couple of longer trips in this car now. I've noticed that the rear end is a little bit floaty. Now I don't like a floaty rear end, so that's why we're going to get it done. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So we got this housing at the top here, spring, bottom bolt. Yeah, we'll take that unit off and swap it over. Right, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in here. These are what, 17 mil. Using hand tools because the kids are in bed. Taking the bottom bolt out, it should just fall out. Oops. Right, so here's our strut assembly. Flip it over. Take this off. And get to our top nut there. So I need to compress that spring a touch. We can undo that top bit. Right, so our spring's kind of taking the tension off the spring there. We just need to undo it, so we're going to hold the pin with some more whips. Oh, that should do it. Right, there we go. So we've got a nut. Remember this nut, concave washer, rubber ducky, whatever's left of that. Right, so got these two rubber mounts in here, new ones are these. See if we can push that. One at the top, looks a bit crusty. One at the bottom. Top and bottom. Good. Little cut. Alright, so here's our old chuck. There's not much left in there, eh? We've got a little shock racer. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, these have definitely seen better days. Oh well, that's good. Makes it worthwhile changing them. Perfect. Being Bilstein, it just works. So I'll just clean this up. I'll get on new rubber bushes and then we'll reassemble. Right, so new shocks in there. We got these new kind of rubber mounts to replace these. Now, these are obviously two different ones, but the replacement ones are identical, top and bottom, so it's an updated aftermarket thing, who knows, but that's how that works. I've forgotten how it went together now. So we have this bump stop here. The replacement that I got is clearly quite different. Let's see if we can make that work. Let me use this one. Not really. Let me use this one out. That goes there. That goes there. Let's go here. Ongoing washer. Starting to spin. that's out. Take our clamps off. Right, we can put that back on the car. Two bottom bolts don't want to start, so if I'll connect it at the bottom and see if we can put some pressure up and get them to line up properly. One more grunt. Half a grunt. Done. Cool, so that's all in. We've got those bolts done up. Bottom bolts are done up. I'll get on and do the other side, and we'll go for a test drive together. Right, so we're here with the second one, and if I'm showing you the second one, that means I've messed up the first one. So, here's our new shop. Put that in there. Here's our old shop. Show you this. Hang on, where is it? Almost to that. This one. Oh, the powers are great! Go! Takes a bit more. Look at that. Yeah, a bit more damping in the new one. All you need to know. Right, then, de-nut our nut. Right, so, on the bump stop, the old bump stop, I found one of these lying on the floor, and I couldn't figure out what it was from. Turns out it was in the bump stop there, so I missed that off the other one. There's like a wee washer that sits there, and that sits on, and then look at these bushes. These are the replacement for these, and these look way better, so I'm going to go back to the originals. And then we'll have a new one on the top. Once we put that bit on. A new bit on the top. Put that at the end. It'd be easier if I had a voice, but I broke my voice. With my only voice. That sits like that. Can you see that? Yeah, alright. I'll put that on. Now we'll line up our spring. That lines up there. Now we'll get our new rubber ducky. Got a new rubber ducky. I've lost my new rubber ducky, yeah, one of those two. So these top ones are a bit deformed, so we'll go with these ones. And that goes like that. Does it? And that goes, yeah, like that. Then we've got our concave washerini, just like that. So I figured there was a wee bit too much thread showing on the other one when I did it, but now I know why. Right, let's see if we can see a difference coming out of this junction. You can definitely tell there's new shocks in there, that's nice and firm. Yeah, that's got a lot better. Slightly more road noise too, which I guess is to be expected. Yes, the new Bilstein shocks in the back of the Audi 80. They make a big difference. You saw how bad the old ones were. These new ones are a whole lot better. So if you need new shocks, that's how you do it. So there we are. Come and like, subscribe. We'll see you for more Audi 80 action.